How to cash out your crypto using Kraken and withdraw money back into your bank account. We need to find this icon right here, which is withdraw cash. It's the same for the web app or the phone app. You can just find this icon, press this, and then it goes over to ask you which currency you want to withdraw, and then you can add bank details right here that you want to withdraw to. So if you don't have a Kraken account yet, I'll leave a link below. They're a great fiat currency on and off ramp. So if you have crypto in a wallet or somewhere else where you can't off ramp it very easily, send it into Kraken, sell it for fiat currency, and then withdraw it by the banking system. That's going to be the cheapest and most reliable way. So from here, we just withdraw the asset that we want, right? So these are all the supported fiat currencies, and banking support in your region may differ a little bit. So I'm outside of the States, and so if I want to withdraw dollars, I have to use a SWIFT or a wire transfer. If you're inside the States, they may have an ACH option. For euros, as you can see, they use SEPA. So like this, you can choose whichever the best option is for you, and for everything else, right? So for pound, you have faster payments right here. Now we press continue, and whichever method that you choose, you're gonna have to put the bank details in, right? So if I choose this one right here, it's gonna ask me for UK banking details. You give it account nickname right here, and then you put your account and sort code. Now, if you're using a different banking system, it's gonna be different, right? So if I go over to using the SWIFT network like this, it's actually gonna ask me for an IBAN, right? Because it's a different banking system. So the details of your bank account that you want to send the money to, put that in here. Also, just be aware that the name on the account that you're sending to cannot be different than your Kraken account name. You can see right here, it's actually pre-populated and I can't edit this. You can only send money over to an account that is yours and in your name. And it has to be exactly the same as what you gave Kraken when you signed up. And they will have that via your ID, right? So when you sign up for Kraken, you do KYC with a passport or an ID card or a driving license. Your name on that has to be the same on Kraken and in your bank. But just add the bank details there. And then from there, we can sell the crypto into the fiat that we want to withdraw it to our bank account. Now that we have a bank account added to Kraken, I'm going to sell crypto for cash to then withdraw it. So if you don't have any crypto in your Kraken account yet to sell, press deposit here. And then I'm going to deposit in some ETH. You can see that in my wallet, I have some ETH and it's on the Optimism network. So I'm going to send that into Kraken to cash out. So I will press the asset here. I've got some ETH and the network is Optimism. Same asset, same chain. Kraken accepts ETH over the Optimism network, and that's the network that I've got it on. So what I'm going to do is go back into my wallet. You can have any wallet right here if you've got assets on a different wallet. You need to send them out, same asset, same chain. I'm going to scan the QR code right here. So I'm going to use the QR code scanner in my wallet just to scan Kraken's QR code, and that's going to populate the wallet address for me. And then you can see in my Kraken account in the wallet, it says, hey, this is your address. Do you want to send? So I'm going to press send here. Do you want to add new address? Press confirm. You're going to send those assets into Kraken. So this is how you send assets into Kraken. You can do ETH on different networks. You can use stablecoins, Bitcoin. For example, if I want to use Bitcoin here, I can send in some Bitcoin over the Bitcoin network. That's my wallet address for Kraken. Whatever you want to cash out, send it into Kraken first. Send it from your wallet into Kraken so you can trade out of it. In order to get cash into our account, we have to sell the crypto and trade it into the fiat currency that we want. For this, I'm going to use Kraken Pro because the trading fees are way lower. I highly recommend it. So on the web app, you can go up here and then press Kraken Pro. That takes you through to Kraken Pro. You pay 25 basis points to 40 basis points in fees on Kraken Pro. On the Kraken app, it's much higher. You'll be paying a spread, probably going to come out to around 1%. So I highly recommend trading on Kraken Pro. If you're using the app on your phone, it's a separate app. So go and download Kraken Pro. You can log in with your same account details. From here, we're going to go ahead and trade. So the assets are fungible between your accounts. You can see they're right here, no problem. I'm going to press trade. And then as an example, I've got Bitcoin here. Again, ETH or stable coins or whatever. You want to find the fiat currency trading pair. So if you want to withdraw dollars, make sure you're trading Bitcoin or any other crypto against USD cash. That's the thing that you can withdraw from Kraken. It's the same for euros, as you can see here. I've got euro trading pairs. It's the same for pound sterling as well. You've got euro trading pairs here, right? So let's just use pound sterling as an example. I've got some BTC here. Click on this, and as you can see, I've got BTC against the fiat currency right here, right? So that's what you want to trade into. So I'm going to sell. I'll just do a market order just to show you. Market orders have slightly higher trading fees on Kraken, 40 basis points. This is where you don't choose the price that you pay. You just sell an amount that you want, right? So if you want to sell, £5 worth, whatever it is, you can press sell GBP right here and it'll go ahead. So I'll just show you as an example. Press this. I'm going to press OK, confirm, and that will sell for me immediately. Then you've got the GBP in your account. You should see the balance to change here. There it is, right? See that less Bitcoin, I've got some GBP in the account. Now, if you want to use limit orders, you can do that as well. You get slightly cheaper trading fees at 25 basis points. You then have to choose the price that you're trading at, and you can put it on the order book. If you want a more detailed guide, look below. I've got a full Kraken Pro guide that goes through this. But that is how you trade out of the crypto. So I can trade out of the crypto, and now I have fiat currency in my account. Then we can go ahead and withdraw it from Kraken. Now all we have to do is withdraw that cash via the withdraw tab. Now you can do this in the Kraken app if you want. Just press withdraw like we did at the start of this video. If you're in Kraken Pro, you can do it as well. So go to withdraw here, press that, and then it's going to say what do you want to withdraw. I've got some of this fiat currency in my account, so I'm going to press this and then choose the banking system that you want to use. So for UK, faster payments is great. If you're in the States, it'll be ACH or SEPA in Europe or whatever you want to use. So press this one, and then it says add withdrawal account if you don't have one already. So I'm going to press this, and then press the withdrawal account that you want. So faster payments, and then details right here. Now, you may have to make a deposit into Kraken first if you haven't done so already. They have to make sure that you own the bank account that you're linking here, and that you make a deposit in, and they can test that you have the bank account and it's the same details and that your name is the same and everything else. So if you're using Kraken for the first time, you may have to make a deposit of cash into Kraken first before they actually allow you to add that bank account and then make withdrawals out. That's going to depend on which country that you live in and the banking system, and if they actually require that or not. If not, just put your account details in here. So go over to your bank, get your account details, your IBAN, your account number, etc., and put that in, and then go through with the withdrawal, and then you can actually withdraw cash from Kraken using basically the major currencies in the world. Again, Kraken, link below if you haven't got an account yet, and some other helpful videos down there. I'm James, this is my ZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.